It's the Quality Coalition! The Visibility Vanguard! Some may call it telepathy and telekinesis. We call it remote visibility in real time!
I sense faulty machine operation.
Captain Kappa! When there's a dent or defect, he prevents and corrects.
Consider this loop closed.
Optimo! Laser vision to match his laser-sharp focus.
Cut your paper ties. Optimize.
Together, they make the Quality Coalition!
It's the chief.
Quality Coalition, this is Mr. Control. We've got intel on the whereabouts of Doctor Deviation.
Our nemesis.
Manufacturers are counting on you to mitigate risks, streamline data, and ensure compliance. You know what to do.
Operation Deviation is a go!
Chop, chop, Norman! Move it, goons! My evil plan is nearly complete!
The only thing that's almost complete is your reign of terror.
Well, if it isn't my least favorite bunch of nosy do-gooders, get them!
Oh yeah!
Objective accomplished.
You fight well, Quality Coalition, but how will you fight when you're frozen by my freeze ray?
Low temperature warning.
Clever, isn't it? Now you'll be forced to watch helplessly as I send subpar quality management solutions to the leading life sciences manufacturers free of charge. I will drag them in with empty promises, and before they know it, they'll be saddled with longer review times, complicated audits, and more deviations than they can count. Single-handedly bringing life sciences manufacturing as we know it to its knees!
You've made a fatal mistake, Doctor. You underestimated the customer.
No! My best worst processes!
The manufacturers know quality is an investment, not an expense.
Maybe we can talk this out.
Nothing can outdo the power of a robust and holistically connected quality management software, and don't you forget it.
Join us next week for another exciting adventure of the Quality Coalition!